you go. Oh, much easier than the other one. This one's a much better shape.
This actually is. Huh. It's just like here's corroded. You can definitely tell it's corroded.
Oh, gosh.
So Mike is putting on this new piece that he created. It's just slipping over metal. Are you happy with this? Damn, this looks so good. Not for nothing, this looks so good. Just add a little piece here and we're good to go. So what Mike did was he made a piece, and it took actually a really long time because he really finessed it. But basically we're matching up this. We're gonna have another piece here and we're good to go. But he really did a really nice job of fitting a really nice thin piece of metal to block this all off, because unfortunately the 30-year-old other one was all corroded, but we did a really nice job with that. And now what we're doing is we're making a block off plate here. This is supposed to be a light, so we're doing a nice piece here, and then we'll do the same thing with some seam sealer. We're going to be sanding down the over fenders, and we'll be ready to then go to paint sooner than later. Alrighty, so did some sanding. Still got a lot more to go, but definitely happy to see the original color of this, which is black from the fiberglass. We have still a lot more to go. I forgot I actually did some body filler right here, so we're gonna have to smooth everything out. But I think I'm happy of the fact that I'm actually taking the time with Michael to really go through this car. A lot of things were unfortunately rushed getting this ready for H2OI this past September. So I'm really happy that we're taking the extra steps to really make this as smooth as possible, so then we can lay on some really nice paint.